Transylvanian Cabbage Rolls. A main dish from Romania. Serves 8. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Remove large leaves from cabbage, trimming off thick part. Step 2. Let boiling water stand on leaves for a few minutes until softened. Step 3. Combine meat, rice, onion, eggs, salt and pepper. Step 4. Place meat mixture in each leaf. Fold and roll. Step 5. Repeat until finished. Step 6. Add pork rind for added flavor and the remaining cabbage leaves shredded or whole at the bottom of the Dutch oven. Step 7. Layer cabbage rolls seam side down. Step 8. Add tomato sauce, savory, pepper, salt and sauerkraut/water/vegetable juices to the pot. Step 9. Sprinkle with a little sugar to taste. Step 10. Cover and bake 1 hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 11. Uncover and continue baking for 1.5 hours more. Step 12. Add a dollop of sour cream on each roll when served. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.